Yeah. Yeah, it's coming in from that way, the storm. It's not. I figured it was gonna storm. Ooh. What are you doing, Chloe, huh? That breeze feels good, though, coming in. Ooh. Trying to get some of that light, get some of that freaking lightning. There's a storm coming in. Don't look like it's gonna be a bad one, but definitely dark over that way. I think it's getting over top of us more. It's go. Of course, this came out of nowhere because they wasn't even supposed to storm today. It wasn't even. They weren't even saying anything about any storms today. Of course, it's been so freaking hot. It doesn't. So really, I guess it's no surprising. Because even tomorrow, it's supposed to be like in the freaking in the freaking high 80s. So, I was just trying to capture some of the lightning. Oh yeah, right there. Kind of. Ooh, there's a good one. There we go. Freaking lightning, man. Oh, shit. Freaking lightning, man. What the hell? It's really... Sorry, this is probably boring, but... I was just trying to get some of the lightning there. As you can see, it's... And yes, I know. They always say don't stand beside the window, so yes, I know. Well, I don't know. I was always told, you know, when it's lightning real bad like that, or you know, stand beside the windows. Of course, I think that's mostly for the tornado activities. When the winds are getting heavy, you shouldn't stand beside windows, but I just want to capture some of the lightning. Because it's lightning pretty good. It's not lightning constantly, but you're getting a couple of good flashes in there, though. Oh, yeah, right there. Hopefully the cameras, I think camera's catching it. It's hard because the freaking filming through the window, so I'd go stand outside, but I think, you know, it's more safer just filming it through the window than probably outside. It's not far, it's not raining. Of course, it might let loose any minute, I don't know. Right now it's just thundering and really giving us a nice lightning show. But I'm going to end the video here soon. I just figured I'd just capture some lightning shots there. I figured I'd just get some lightning shots there. Huh. see it's lightning through the clouds, and then like every so often, then it'll come. So yeah, I apologize. I know, boring, but just wanted to get, you know. Ooh, see. What, Chloe? You want to see the light? See the lightning? It's like I said, it's not raining yet. Which I'm surprised. Ooh. Wow. Well, anyway, guys, apologize for this, kind of like I said, I know, boring, but I just wanted to get some shots of lightning and the storm blowing in here. Oh, there you go. Maybe I'll get some more, I don't know, maybe I'll get some more video if it keeps up or keeps it up, but for now, thanks for watching.